Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, the FTX collapse has literally sparked such a big row in the entire world, and in fact, even in the political world, with the kind of losses that people have suffered. Just imagine the people thought, uh, first of all, they're already fighting from a lot of other people. Even the family members are like, crypto is a scam, do not put your money into it, you are going to lose it. But you happen to believe in it, you happen to believe in its future. And that's when suddenly a centralized exchange, which you never even thought like probably could be the cause of concern, they leverage trade your money, and your entire money is gone. And that's when the people around you are like, see, I told you. But you inside out understand it is not the crypto's problem, it is the bad sheep's problem who is ruining the crypto market. But this thing that we all need to understand, with the FTX collapse, with the kind of losses that people have suffered, a lot of harsh regulation is going to come in. But not necessarily it is the worst thing. And in fact, to the extent, the kind of harsh regulation that is going to come country to country wise, because the crypto has been onto the radar of the political system as well. Why? Because the crypto happens to give power to the individuals. That is what the concept of decentralization is, that the financial power is in your hands. You can choose to not declare how much that you have. You can choose to move your crypto anywhere in the world. You can choose to own the crypto, and you do not need any third party's permission to send your crypto to anywhere. And all of this is against the control that the governments across the world have been having onto the people, where you always need the third party, where each and every transaction is monitored. So that is the reason, guys. That's where the war is happening. And now the people in power have the excuse, the biggest excuse in front of them, that to bring the mega regulation onto the thing. But let me tell you, have you heard about this particular phrase that first they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, and then you win? Probably the crypto is at the stage where they are trying to fight. And when you talk about then you win, almost people have accepted, like earlier it was a blanket ban. If you're thinking that right now it is talking about the bans and stuff, a lot of countries actually implemented the blanket ban by 2018 bear market, and nobody knew whether crypto is going to survive or not. And right now, with the mass adoption that is happening, like probably the BlackRock adopting to the Bitcoin ETF, the NFT technology, so much metaverse and stuff coming in, nobody doubts that, okay, is it going to stay or not? But at that time, people were doubting themselves, the holders themselves. That is why the reward itself by 2021 was pretty high. The better part about this harsher regulation, the diamond always comes out after the compression it faces, the compression that the coal faces. The stress test, the compression that the crypto market is going through right now, and it is going to face in the future. This is the ultimate test, that is it good enough to stand out? And that would be the biggest test that it needs to qualify. Anything has to qualify through all these resistance and tests, and so far crypto has always emerged out good. But let me tell you, more than 90% of the projects probably do not solve a really life-changing problem. I do not have a daily usage into the normal people's life. Why? Because they are just like just another NFT project, just another metaverse project, and all of them are into it just to probably make the quick bucks. It is not a long-term vision sort of a thing. And this is what these chaos, and this is what these regulations, the harsher squeezing of the market actually makes them die down. And this is the fact for any financial market. Even the dot-com bubble, only the top companies were able to survive, a lot other just collapse. And that's what is going to happen right now within the crypto market. Majority of the companies, majority of the projects are going to collapse, are never going to come back. And the projects that are really working good and big are actually come out of the ashes. So this could be also one of the things that we all need to consider, that what kind of project are you invested in. And again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. The goal of this channel is to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. Ensure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and comment down below for what do you feel about the crypto regulations and stuff. Is it good or bad? Where are you seeing the crypto heading towards? But one thing is for sure, the projects that you believe in is going to survive. Probably this is one of the biggest and the best opportunities of buying. People are calling, okay, there is going to be another leg down. Maybe another leg down is coming, but how much leg down are we talking about? We are already in the depths of the bottom, right? The chances of upside from here is far higher. Had the FTX collapse not happened, we might have been sitting at $25,000 after stock market rallied, after there was slight good news or on the positive side of the news with the inflation, and the Fed pivot is expected in the future. So probably this is pretty much near the bottom, and yes, this is one of the best buying opportunity. But ensure that the projects that you are investing in, you are betting that they are going to survive. If they are going to survive, then definitely you are going to make it big out of the situation. So that's it, guys, for the video, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.